now, we don't need that portion. No, we didn't think this through at all.
I didn't really, Andrew. You probably get through that yourselves.
I'd have to put the people in there as number one, like they're A1, like.
Yeah. Everyone has been so supportive, and I think people have been so good to us as well ever since Rio and since we came into the public consciousness. Like, people have been so good to us, and I think the people are priority, and of course it's supposed to be. We have to mention, of course, at home, like West Park. I mean,
Skibbereen's
we give that a really big plug.
You couldn't beat it. It is the finest place. They do some great food and restaurants and all sorts down there. Like, you go down there and get an omelette or frittata or whatever time of the day you want it. In any place.
We do a lot of travelling as well, and we go to some lovely places. Like, we spent 2 weeks in Italy now, and we were out on a beautiful lake. But see, these are some of the nicest places in the world, and every time we go away, we always look forward to coming home, And it can be hard to put a finger on it, but there's just something about being at home.
Go down around the coastline there and check out the sea, and there's some lovely lakes and rivers and everything in Ireland as well, like, and we get to sample a lot of them through the rowing, like, when we be out there experiencing nature in its full, and that's excellent, like, and I mean, Ireland is second to none really for that kind of scenery and greenery and the sea and everything.
We're lucky because we get to go out and row in these conditions every day of the year, like, and enjoy it like that. So,
we get plenty of rain as well to keep the dust down. So that's always a positive as well. And then you get nice days like this with the sunshine.
And the people smiling as well when the sun shines. It's great.
Everything in moderation really is good for you. So that's no harm at all.
Absolutely.